Good morning, children. In this present class, we are discussing about light. What is light? Light gives you the sensation of sight. As per the John Keats say, things of beauty are joy forever. That means the beautiful nature we can see just because of light, and we have the eyes for the sensation of sight. So we can enjoy the beauty only in the presence of light. Whenever light falls on an object, three things may happen. Generally, they are reflection, refraction, and absorption. Whenever light falls on an object, as you see in the first figure, reflection of light is taking place from the sun rays are getting reflected by using a mirror. What is reflection? It is a bouncing back of light rays when they fall on a particular surface. Then refraction also can take place. You can see the light entering through your house, through windows, through glass. That is refraction. Refraction means bending of light rays as they travel from one medium to another. Then, like in a third figure, whenever light falls on green leaves absorb all the colors except green. They reflect green color. Remaining colors have been absorbed. A black surface will absorb all the colors. So that is absorption. Whenever light falls on an object, all three things may happen. Whenever light falls on a glass window, partly gets reflected, partly gets refracted, and partly absorption also. So that is the basic thing. Three types of reflection, refraction, absorption can take place. Then we are revising what you have studied in class 8 in this class. Remaining things we will be discussing in the next class. So now in the next class we shall see what is reflection of light. Reflection of light is the bouncing back of light rays as they travel from one medium to another. So reflection, there are two types of reflection. What are they? Regular reflection and irregular or diffuse reflection. You have studied in class 8, again I am repeating, just we are revising only. Reflection which help you to see your image in a mirror is a regular reflection. Reflection which will help you to view the objects, read a textbook, read the now, what you are observing through mobile, what you are reading now, these all are due to irregular reflection. Regular reflection takes place on a smooth surface. Reflected rays are parallel to each other. In the first side of the figure, left side figure you see. In the right side, in the reflected beam, you can get non-parallel beam. Reflected rays, they get scattered away. That will help you to see the letters, read a textbook. So both are very important. Irregular reflection takes place on rough surface. These are the two types of reflection. Then let us recall what are the laws of reflection. You know, whenever light falls on a mirror or a surface, there will be incident ray, there will be reflected ray, and you can draw and imagine an organ. Incident ray is the ray which is touching the surface. At which point it is touching, there is a point of incidence. Then the point of incidence you get the reflected ray. From the point of the incidence, if you consider a perpendicular to the surface, that becomes the normal. If you imagine a perpendicular surface, that becomes the normal. First law of reflection is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal, they all lie on a single plane. These are the laws of reflection. In the last slide here, we shall recall the nature of images formed in a plane mirror. So we know a plane mirror. In a plane mirror, images images are formed. How the images are formed in a plane mirror? Characteristics of image formed in a plane mirror. Characteristics means property or nature. Image formed in a plane mirror is virtual. Virtual in the sense what? See here, a person is standing. This image you can see on the right side. But if you keep a screen there, you can't get the image. That means that is virtual. What image you are getting on the screen now? That is real. Then it is erect, means it is not upside down. Ulta is fine. Then image is on the same side as the object. It is at the same distance. How far is the object from the mirror? That much only is the image also. So these are the important things about the nature of image formed in plane mirror. Most important thing is this. A boy is raising his left hand in front of a plane mirror, and in the mirror it is showing right. That means wrong. Left means right. See the candle. Candle is slightly right side of the table, and in the mirror it appears to be left. So that means what? In a mirror and a plane mirror, the image formed is sideways reversed. Left appears right, right appears left. This is what we call lateral inversion. Image formed in a plane mirror is laterally inverted or sideways reversed. So these all things we are discussing now. That is just a recollection of what we have studied in earlier classes. Next we will be studying how image formation takes place in a spherical mirror. What are spherical mirrors? The definitions. Then how image formation takes place. Even that is also slightly or in brief it is discussed in class 8. We will be discussing in more detail in class 10.